Welcome, guys, to the world of Sci. I'm your host, Dave Guy, and tonight I have two young minds with me, Billy and Timmy. Get up! Alright, guys, what experiment do you want to try first?
We should make elephant toothpaste.
Well, I really like your enthusiasm, but we're going to do something different.
Well, what are we gonna do, Dave?
Well,
what are we gonna do, Dave?
Well, we're going to do three things. We're going to make fire in water, flame testing, and finally, your elephant toothpaste.
Woo! Let's open the blinds and maybe we're gonna see some stars out today.
Alright, guys, today we have our sample right here. We're going to start off with putting our sample in our water.
Don't touch it. Why don't we touch it?
Well, we can't touch it because this material is highly, and if we touch it, it can get moisture onto it and reaction can start and it will combust.
Told you. Oh.
Okay, so as you can see here, we have our small sample of lithium right here. I've already cut it out of this big piece right here, and right here I have 0.2 grams of lithium, and we are about to drop it into the water.
No sputtering?
Boom! Because this is hydrogen gas, so. Transition to saying, then we got a specialist to do it for us.
I don't think I can light it now.
So as you can see, the solution did work. The lithium did fizz up in the water. It released hydrogen gas into the air, and it created lithium hydroxide. And so now, just to show, we're going to do some pH tests. So as you can see, we can match it up with the color, and we can see that the water is around a nice mid-ground of pH, so not as acidic. And we will check now with lithium hydroxide. It's actually kind of noticeably warmer too, but as you can see, it is now more a base.
Burn through it, burn through it. I'm not taking turns to it, turns to.
And now, guys, we're gonna perform the flame test. Where's Timmy?
Isn't it gonna cause like an explosion or like a giant ball of flame?
Nope, just a small flame to identify which chemical it is, and each element actually has a separate color, which we will do over in a fume hood. Are you okay? So now, guys, since we're over at the fume hood, it's time to go over a few things. See, this fume hood is specially designed to take out all the fumes so we don't breathe them. Now, since we're not breathing them, we're perfectly safe under this fume hood. And of course, wear gloves, goggles, and an apron so you avoid splashback. And now we're going to go ahead and start the flame test, starting with lithium chloride. As you can see, we've labeled all these so we can tell which one is which. Ready? As you can see, this is lithium chloride, and the color for it is red. And now, we're gonna do sodium chloride.
Just a little sodium chloride.
As you can see, regular yellow flame. Ready? And now next one, barium chloride. As you can see, we get a greenish sort of yellow flame, mix of the two. As you can see, the strontium chloride is just like the lithium chloride. Now we're going to use cupric chloride. What color do you guys think that this will burn into?
Red?
Red? Let's see. And it is green. We're gonna move on with calcium chloride.
Awesome. Have a great trip at Cheer.
As you can see, we get orange.
Nice.
And now we'll do potassium chloride, our second to last fluid.
Whoa.
And now, guys, we're gonna move on to the most dangerous one. Something that will cause a very large explosion inside of the fume tank, but only onto the stick. I should be perfectly safe, but I only have a 25% chance of making it out.
Oh no.
Well, that one didn't seem to work. So, what do you guys think about those flame tests?
Wasn't cool.
Alright. Alright guys, now we're ready to move forward with the next experiment.
What's next, Dave?
Well, we're gonna do elephant toothpaste. It just takes a little bit of hydrogen peroxide, some dish soap, and a little encouragement.
Cocaine's a drug.
You're just going to take some hydrogen peroxide and some food. Cut it out. Alright, now we're gonna proceed on with the reaction. Why don't you hold this and we will prepare for the reaction. Alright, pour the mixture in very carefully.
Whoa.
Wow.
Damn it.
That was insane!
What do you mean? That wasn't even so big. I was expecting this thing to...
That was crazy.
Alright, I guess we could just move forward, guys. You know what? Just forget it.
Dude, where'd he go? Where'd Dave go, bro?
広がる闇の中交わし合った革命の日々に誰にも邪魔させるわけにはいかないから